Welcome back to TakeApart. Today we look inside of the Canon G7X Mark II. It is almost identical to G7X Mark III. Improvements in the new version will be later in the video. So let's do it. Remove a battery and we can start with the 4 screws on the bottom, right next to the tripod mount. Replacement parts are listed in description below. This cover will pop out. Next, under the 3-inch touch tilting screen, some more screws to be removed. Moving on to the right side, 2 screws exposed, one longer than another, and third one hidden under the flap. And the left side, 2 screws exposed. Go ahead and remove them. Pop the flash and unscrew the 2 screws on each side of the unit. Flash cover will come off and we can try to remove back panel. Gently wiggle and pull. There is one connector for screen and the buttons on the panel. It has a lock, so lift and pull. Internal components are almost the same with the Mark III. Mark III has a newer processor, digit 8, and the mic input. Let's remove a thumb dial holding on place by 2 screws and one connector with lock. Once done, you have a clear way to access this screw holding the top part of the camera. One more is inside of the battery compartment. And now, gently pull out top part of the camera. There's this metal washer and also a connector for all the dials and buttons. Flap for HDMI and USB connectors just fell on the table. Flip the camera and remove the 3 screws holding the front cover. After this, pull out the cover over the lens and disconnect the ribbon cable from ring. Moving on, here's 1 screw holding lens unit. Flip it and let's start on the steel plate. There's 10 screws around, so let's see if I can find them. There's a couple more somewhere. One is out of the frame, one on the top, and one on the left side with Wi-Fi unit. Last one, I promise. This steel plate can be removed now. I will disconnect Wi-Fi module, just pull out the ribbon cable. And we can move on. Disconnect this massive connector. Couple smaller. Now flash unit can be removed, following by another steel plate. With this step, we expose the main board and the back of the camera sensor. There are 2 connectors connecting those 2 together. Connector for sensor is classic push-on, and one for the focusing and zooming is one with the lock. Mainboard with the battery compartment will separate from lens and sensor unit. I will not stop until I see the glorious 1-inch sensor. Let's try to loose those ribbon cables. Disconnect some connectors, 2 on this side. Also, you need to detach connectors from the lens unit. There are 2 screws. One with this small metal washer. Plastic clips holding the sensors on the place. And one last cable needs to be disconnected. Replacement parts are listed in description below. And voila, 1-inch Canon's CMOS sensor. Last piece is a lens unit. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and see you in the next video.